Hey guys, it's Steve here. I just wanted to jump on and make a quick video to talk about the Simple Freedom Club. It's a club that offers 100% commissions and teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. It's a training school, and it's free to join. It's free membership. You have nothing to lose. Matter of fact, let me show you here. I'll take half of the work away. Hit this register free button here. And just input your name, your email address, create a password, and then just click continue. Create an account, right? And that's it. It's as easy as that. It's not asking you for any kind of other information. It's not asking you for your credit card information, nothing like that. It's just asking you to create an account. And then once you're on the inside, you'll see behind the scenes, you'll see what is there to offer. You can see the potential, of what you can do, and the possibilities of what you can learn and how you can make money online, But anyway, it's 100% commissions. It's an affiliate marketing school where you learn to create your own money with a community of like-minded individuals. Like I said, it's free to join. There's no monthly fees. You can register free and review our club. Paid members earn 100% commission daily. Okay. VIB callback, you can request the callback. Let's see here. Click that button. Boom. You still enter your information and you request the callback, and the owner, creator, founder, he'll give you a call. But my advice to you is at least join for free, and just join for free first, then call them back. Why? Because you're getting in my way at that point. If I paid to get in, or if I actually even took the time to only sign up for free, at least I took that action, right? So who would you call back first? Would you call back the person who at least signed up for free, or somebody who's just scared to register for free but has a million and one questions, right? Let's be let's be serious, right? So of course I will call back the person who at least took the initiative and actually signed up, put his name, email, and created a password, right? That's it. That's all he asked. Then call back. But anyway, that's just my thoughts on that. Anyway, so it's It's an affiliate marketing school. It's absolutely newbie proof. You learn the skills required to finally make real money and passive cash online. It teaches you social marketing, email marketing, offline marketing techniques. And it's a one-time fee. There's no monthly fee. It's not recurring. It's only one-time fee of $35. $25 goes directly to the affiliate whose link you got here on, and then $10 goes to the admin fee to keep the website up and running, right? So, but it's only a one-time fee, so you pay it one time, and that's it. $25 goes directly to the member who got you signed up, and $10 goes directly to the house, right? So, the beauty of it is that if I get you to sign, you pay your membership, I get $25. If I get somebody else, next person to sign up, I get that money. You can keep making this $25 over and over and over and over again. It's unlimited. Then when you factor in this reverse one-up factor, you're always getting a fresh man to your line. So every second man comes up to your line off of every person you sign up. It's very simple, and all it is money. You know what I mean? So if you're really tired of running that rat race, but you still want to get that cheese, this is the club you need to be in. Like I said, it's register for free, make 100% commissions. But I don't want to sleep. I don't want you to miss the most important point of it all. It's an affiliate marketing school where you get top-notch training. I've learned so much just in the few weeks or months or whatever that I've been in, and I'm amazed. So I keep coming back, getting more information, and I keep applying that. I don't even write scripts on videos. I just go off the top of my head. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. But anyway, let's stick to the plan. It has a reverse one up, and here's a little brief description of how that it works. So the first person, 25, is paid directly to you when they sign up. The second person, you pass it up to your sponsor, and then every person after the second person is you, right? So you can make $25 indefinitely, and then every person that you signed up owes you a person to pass up to you. So that's another fresh 25. So, I mean, on top of that, you get the core concepts of how to do online and affiliate marketing. So anyway, let me show you something here now that I'm thinking about it, because I told you I don't have a script or nothing. I just go off the top. But, you know, what it teaches you how to do is there's a concept here. It's called a funnel. Here's the beginning of your funnel, right? You have something called traffic, which is you as a person. You enter your information into this email address, and once you hit learn, your email address is stored in our back office. And I'll show you that. Let's go. Let's put this in here at .com, right? Let's see. And we hit learn, right? Then you type in, I am not a robot. I am not a robot. You hit submit. And it takes you to the page that we were just on, right? But what happened behind the scenes? I'll show you. So I'll log into my Power Lead system where I created the capture page from, or where I was share coded the capture page from. See, that's another thing. They teach you how to funnel hack, and basically the concept is duplicate, replicate, so the training is going to teach you how to duplicate the system. So it guarantees your success as long as you can set it up, or he sets it up for you, as long as you do the same thing, all for, $35. It's unbelievable. So anyway, so I want to go to my contact manager and hit that. So, we input that information, but boom, here it is. See, as soon as you get that email address, boom, it pops up in the back office. And now you recorded that person's information, and you can continually follow up with them. So that's just one concept. The second thing that you'll learn is that there's many ways to get traffic, right? There's free traffic, which can be like Facebook, social media, Twitter, Pinterest, and all of that, where people come to your ad or presentation, they inquire of it, you send them the link, they get to this page. Or you post a picture, they click the button, they get to this page, they fill in their information. Or you can do it if you have like $23, right? You can go to a site called Udemy, and you could come here and search for solo traffic. Basically, in this Udemy.com, I'll leave a link in the description. You come here, create a free account, and you just shop around, like 40 cents a click, right? So say I wanted to go with this guy that says premium traffic, get sales. There's a whole science behind how to pick this, but this is to keep it real simple and to get you started, right? You just come here and you click, say, this guy, right? All right. So his minimum order is 200 visitors, which is $83. But I don't want that. Let's see if we can go lower. $43 for 100 clicks. So this would get 100 visitors to your site, right? And basically what you do is you would take your information, which is your website address, right? Say this is your website address. You would take that and you would go back to here and you would input it right here, right? Boom. And then you would, for $43, and there's other places where you can get 50 clicks for $23, but you just have to search. You can get 50 visitors for $23 or something like that. But you just have to look. And all you do is select the number of visitors you want to your website, right? It'll tell you how much it is here. You put your website here, your affiliate link, which you'll get from the back office of Simple Freedom Club, right? After you become a paying member, you would just put that here. Then you would hit add to cart, right? And actually, if you click the link, my Udemy link below, I'll give you a $5 discount off. Okay, so you'll get $5 off your first order. So after you hit add to cart, it'll take you to the cart here, and it shows you, hey, you want 100 visitors for $43, and you can use a discount code that I can give you, right? And then boom, then it sets you up, and you get 100 visitors that'll come straight to your where's that capture page at? Let me show you that. That'll come. We don't want that, but it'll come straight to your capture page here. 100 visitors. Now, don't get all happy like 100 people are going to log in and buy your stuff immediately, because that's just not going to happen. But the concept is you want to grow. You know, the more people you get to this page, the bigger your list grows, right? So that's what you want. So then you can market the same offer or any other offer to them, and they can buy. You keep putting emails in front of them, kind of like the commercials you see on TV that are just repetitive over and over and over again. And next thing you know, when you leave the house, you're wondering why you want a Coke, right? You know, back in the day, and I think it was the 50s, they used to put subliminal messages in movies. And, you know, you'll be watching a movie and it'll be popcorn, Coca-Cola, popcorn. But it's like one frame every so many hundred frames that says popcorn or Coca-Cola or something. That used to program the people to get up and go get popcorn and increase concession sales. Concession sales. So, but that was banned. I think it was like in the 50s. Look it up. But that's basically what advertising is. You're going to keep putting an offer in front of somebody's face enough, and they're going to have time to think about it and consider, and then they're eventually going to take action on it. So, anyway, I think that's all. You know, I don't ever have a plan or nothing. I just kind of get on here and just start going. But so yeah, if you go to Udemy, you can buy traffic per click, 100 clicks for $43. Also, there's other sellers on here where you can get, you know, I think the lowest 23 clicks for, or 50 clicks for $23. You know, that'll send 50 visitors to your page. But you get on here and you just look for, you know, positive reviews. That's it. I mean, it's, you know, you're invested in your own business. Why not buy traffic? But, then you don't have to be on Facebook spamming everybody, because these people's job are to send traffic to your webpage, which is this, okay? And that's kind of hopefully that's a simple enough explanation. You want to get the traffic here, send them to here to create a list here, to ultimately get them to here and to sign up. And then once they sign up for free, they'll see the same concept and repeat, right? And it's all about duplication and replication, you know, and we get enough people doing that, well, then, you know what? We can create that cash flow pipeline. But anyway, I went on long enough. I suggest you join for free, sign up for free, check it out. Check out this video. I'll have the links in the bottom. Under this video, I'll have the links in the description box. I'll have the link for this site, for Udemy, Power Lead Systems if you want it. Actually, here's what I'll do. I'll give you a $5 discount code for Udemy to take your first $5 off. I'll throw in a free lead system for you that you can get started, and that'll give you a capture page and a basic autoresponder. Let me see if I got I'll show you here. I'll give you this free system here. It's free. Free lead system where you just enter your information here and you get it for free. It gives you the login and information and everything. And it doesn't cost you a dime. But watch the video. It'll give you a nice little presentation of actually what you can do with that. I got other videos describing what you can do with the free lead system. So that'll be my gift to you. Free lead system, $5 off your first order of traffic. And I'll leave the link to this down there because you can sign up. and you can use this 100% commission site, school, to learn how to use the free tool I'm giving you. So then guess what? You're only out of pocket $35, and you can use that free tool to create a capture page. But also, man, also the free club, the Simple Freedom Club, comes with its own capture page. But that's a different video, different day. I get carried away. But anyway, join for free. All the information will be in the box. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.